Hey there, creative minds! Welcome back to Easy Peasy Art. Today we're about to embark on an artistic journey that's as sweet as can be. We're creating a candy jar that's bursting with vibrant colors, fun, and all your favorite candies. So, grab your art supplies because we're diving into this delightful adventure. Our canvas begins with a lid. Picture it as the candy jar's crown. And to add a touch of whimsy, we're giving it a wavy fabric skirt border around the rim. Now let's shape the jar. It's wide and welcoming, ready to hold all those sweet treats. Around the neck of the jar, we're adding a twine, and from that twine, flow twine tassels on the right side of the jar. It's like the jar is dressed up for a candy carnival. Don't forget to add cute little spirals all over the fabric for that extra touch of whimsy. But here's where the real fun begins, drawing the candies. We'll start with our all-time favorite candy stick. Next up, a big, beautifully wrapped toffee. And of course, a yummy lollipop. You can add as many candies as you like, big and small, to fill up the jar's surface. To complete the scene, let's sprinkle some candy. Heart pops around the jar on the ground. It's like the candies are having their own sweet party. Now let's make this candy jar come to life with colors. The lid fabric gets a delightful pink hue. Give the twine a sunny yellow color. Our glass jar is sparkling clean in a calming blue shade. Now for the candies, you can go wild with your favorite colors. Reds, yellows, pinks, oranges, whatever tickles your taste buds. Finish it all off by coloring the Hearty Pops a cheerful red. And there you have it, our colorful candy jar that's ready to make your day sweeter. I hope you had a blast creating this sugary delight with me. Before we wrap up, if you enjoyed this video and our candy jar, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to Easy Peasy Art for more exciting art adventures. Until next time, young artists, keep creating, keep exploring, and always keep that sweet imagination flowing. Hit that like button and subscribe for more sweet art. Thanks for joining me today, and stay tuned for our next creative escapade.